What's going on, you guys? Welcome you guys to the channel. Big guy back with another trailer. It's another reaction video, not trailer. My bad. Got David Dobrik surprising my best friend with a puppy. Freak out. Let's see what the gang is up to today. See what these boys got up to today. Leo.
How much you guys want to bet Jason's going to step on that poop right now? $30. Jay, you want to get ice cream after this?
I'd love to.
Let's do this,
First time you to step on it?
I already stepped in on the way.
Wait, what? She was naked. He came into my room and he goes, "Do you have your camera?" Jonah, you came in pretty quick.
Because I heard the scream on, dude, that's 2017. I'm excited, because in my head, like, I used to always be like that. When I walk, I'm like, oh shit, walk, fuck yeah. And like, I heard the scream, and then to the Tony goes, fucking David, oh! And they're like, ah! And all of a sudden, I'm like, dude, we're young again. We're going to rehab. I'm fucking fat.
You guys have a black light here. I'm going to see how clean you guys are. Joe, hit the lights. Nah? So far, holy shit, I'm pretty fucking impressed. Jay, I'm worried about you.
Why?
Oh shit, you know what? You actually look pretty clean too.
Told you.
What is it?
Leah are gonna blow in each other's mouths underwater.
The more you think about it, explain why. Explain why.
Let me go first. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, it actually worked. I felt it like it went down my fucking esophagus.
No, bro, that's you getting horny. Hello, Jonas Kebab. We're inside Jonas Kebab. This is not a joke, by the way. I know this looks like a fucking sketch, but it's not a sketch. Did you read some of the Yelp reviews?
Okay, like one of them, for example,
This is real. These are real, by the way.
the food was great, especially the beef kebab. I am worried though about how well the order is. Every time I ordered a large beef kebab, the girl behind the register goes, that's what she said. Jonas Kebab closes at 11, but if you actually want to order food, you have to get there early before the store already sold it. Jonah literally crop dusted me while I was eating, but he said it was all part of the experience. At first I thought someone brought farm animals to the restaurant, but it was just brought on pet over.
Alright, listen, fuck all of you. Guys, we're surprising Jason with his new puppy. I also want to preface this with the fact that he's been wanting this puppy for literally years, but we couldn't because of work. And now I think it's time, just because he's not in the best state of mind, and I think he could use a new best friend. So this is gonna be fun. What's something that you've really, really wanted?
A girlfriend?
Really wanted? You could. No! Shut the fuck up!
He's so extra, bro.
He's fucking perfect. Are you joking? He's so cute.
He is insane.
And I'm
Poor
just
puppy.
saying, you can't bring him every time we go out to film.
You don't get it. You don't get it. You're so from Slovakia.
We have dogs in Slovakia.
I know, you shoot them in the head. It's a bad thing. You go to the dog on my lawn.
We're at the Team Raw house right now. You won't believe how many trampolines they've stacked on top of each other.
What the fuck? Bro, what do you do? Oh my god, it's a really big beach ball!
Holy, that's what's impressing you. How did you get this idea to stack these?
Well, we had 30 in the backyard. I needed to like consolidate, so we went up.
Bro,
This
what?
insane climb off these trampolines.
What do you?
Believe that that's like not gonna fall.
Oh my god.
Bro, you gotta chill out, bro. Cause you die while watching this.
Absolutely ridiculous. Look at
I'm
that.
still
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm wet. That's why they call it a splash. The final jumps once. Goes. Are you sure you want to do this?
Yeah, I wanna do it, bro!
3, 2, 1.
Bullshit, bitches!
I'll do it. I'll do it when I'm out.
And the pass is complete. And the shot.
Oh, how many times you have to try that? I'm not doing none of that. Okay. Life's starting to feel a little bit normal again, okay? They're doing crazy stuff, David giving people gifts, you know. Baby miss well, we got Corinna talking about her boobs last week. So, you know, things are getting normal, all right? Movie theater open. You feel me? I'm still broke as fuck, bro. I was broke when I started watching these vlogs. I'm still there, okay? But hey, I'm 100,000 up on TikTok. So hey, we getting there. We got a little bit of progression. But yeah, I enjoy these vlogs. So these are for me to enjoy, and I just put them on the internet. That's what it is. But y'all catch what you guys think. Let me know what y'all thought about the vlog, the video down in the comments, man. Peace out.